Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Unicorn Thermos is probably one of the most enchanting and practical accessories a young girl can own, blending magical aesthetics with everyday functionality to keep drinks perfectly chilled or warm throughout the day, making it an ideal companion for school, playdates, or any adventure. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Decorating Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. This kit provides everything you need to create a unique unicorn-themed accessory that's as fun to make as it is to use. Inside this box, you'll find a durable aluminum bottle, an array of sparkly unicorn charms, vibrant gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a stylish wristlet. It's a complete crafting experience, with plenty of extra stickers for endless creativity. Surprise the unicorn enthusiast in your life with a gift that's both fun and practical. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering a creative outlet they'll adore. Customizing your bottle is a breeze with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide mouth makes cleaning simple. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle prioritizes your child's safety. It's rigorously tested to meet international toy safety standards, making it perfect for everyday use at home or school. This kit encourages creativity while promoting healthy hydration. Decorate it your way, take it anywhere with the convenient wristlet, and enjoy a functional accessory that reflects your unique style. What we like? If you're looking for a gift that sparks creativity and offers a hands-on experience, this is the one. It allows your child to personalize their own unicorn bottle with gems and stickers, making it a unique craft project. This is perfect for kids who love to express themselves and enjoy a fun, engaging activity that results in a functional accessory. What people say. The kit comes with plenty of choices of stickers, gems, etc. for them to create a personalized and individual bottle. Bottle seems higher quality and all of the stickers were very sticky. The stickers have stayed on the bottle in good condition for a month now with hand washes nearly every day. Number 4. Bentology Unicorn Insulated Water Bottle. Introducing the Bentology Unicorn Insulated Water Bottle, designed for kids. It's an adorable, premium bottle that makes hydration fun and encourages eco-friendly habits. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this bottle keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. Enjoy refreshing cold beverages or warm drinks on the go. Our innovative lid features a secure lock and a built-in spout, ensuring no spills or leaks. It's designed for easy use and travel, so you can stay hydrated without the mess. This bottle holds 13 ounces, ideal for daily hydration needs. Its convenient size fits easily into backpack pockets, making it perfect for school, sports, and camp. Pair this bottle with other Bentology lunch essentials for a complete lunch with personality experience. Trust in our 20 years of quality and reliability. What we like? For parents seeking a durable and temperature-maintaining bottle for daily use, this is an excellent choice. Its stainless steel insulation keeps drinks cold or hot for extended periods, and the secure, leak-proof lid ensures no spills during school or activities. If you prioritize practicality and reliable performance for your child's hydration needs, consider this option. What people say. The Unicorn Thermos is very cute and the unicorn design is appealing. It keeps drinks cold for a long time, which is great for school lunches. The thermos is durable and has survived a few drops without any damage. Number 3. Unicorn Insulated Water Bottles Kids Rainbow 20 ounces. Introducing Unicorn Insulated Water Bottle, designed for kids. This bottle is perfect for keeping drinks at the ideal temperature all day long. Enjoy ice-cold beverages for up to 24 hours. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures your drinks stay refreshingly cold. Need a warm drink? This bottle maintains hot beverages for up to 8 hours. Perfect for cozy sips on the go. Stay hydrated with the convenient straw lid, designed to be leak-proof and hygienic. The attached handle makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Experience superior insulation with its double-walled, vacuum-sealed design. It's sweat-free and keeps your drinks perfectly temperate. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel, this bottle is built for durability and everyday use. It's a reliable choice for your hydration needs. Make a positive impact by choosing this reusable bottle. It's an eco-friendly way to reduce waste and help protect our planet. What we like. If you need a bottle that can keep drinks refreshingly cold all day, this is your best bet. The extended 24-hour cold retention is ideal for long days out, sports, or travel. The convenient straw lid and handle make it easy for kids to sip and carry, making it perfect for active children and adventurers. What people say. The Unicorn Thermos is a great choice for keeping drinks cold for a long time. Its cute unicorn design is very appealing to children, making it a fun accessory for school or outings. The thermos is made of durable materials, ensuring it can withstand daily use by kids. Number 2. Unicorn Kid Water Bottle Sparkling Glitter Pony. Crafted from the finest 304/18/8 food-grade stainless steel, this bottle ensures durability and safety for your child's everyday use. This delightful bottle is perfect for any occasion, from daily school use to special events. It's a wonderful companion for enjoying all their favorite drinks. Add a touch of magic to your child's day with its beautiful, eye-catching glitter lid. It's designed to bring joy and sparkle to unicorn lovers. Featuring a convenient silicone strap on the lid, it's easy for little hands to carry. It can even attach to a keychain for simple transport. With a 12-ounce capacity, it's the perfect size for children, fitting easily into backpacks or lunch boxes without being too bulky. Thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps beverages hot for up to 12 hours or cold for up to 24 hours, ensuring they have the perfect drink anytime. What we like. This bottle is perfect for the little one who loves a touch of sparkle and needs a perfectly sized container for school. The eye-catching glitter lid adds a fun element, and the 12-ounce capacity is just right for small hands and backpacks. If you want a stylish, temperature-controlled bottle that's easy for your child to manage, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. This water bottle looks good. Lindo y con mucha calidad. Number 1. Jarlson CHARLI Kids Water Bottle, 12 ounces. Rest easy knowing your child is drinking from a bottle made of food-grade stainless steel. It's BPA-free, phthalate-free, and rigorously tested for the highest safety standards. Cleaning this bottle is a breeze, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. Its thoughtful design ensures no residue is left behind. Thanks to its vacuum insulation, drinks stay cold for up to 12 hours or warm for up to 6 hours. It's perfect for any adventure. The push-button lid and silicone straw make it easy and fun for your child to drink. It's ideal for school, sports, and everyday activities. Enjoy peace of mind with our durable design and available spare parts. This bottle is made to last, saving you money and worry. What we like. For parents who value convenience and long-term usability, this bottle stands out. Its dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleaning, and the availability of spare parts means it's built to last, offering great value. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-maintain bottle for school or sports that can be used for years to come, this is a smart investment. What people say. The Unicorn Thermos is very cute and the unicorn design is appealing to children. It keeps drinks cold for a long time, which is great for school lunches. The thermos is durable and has withstood daily use without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.